Should we disclose where we work? Blake was like,
Can you
cut me?
Oh my gosh.
I think Natalie.
Bro, it's your last day. They kinda have like a
They kind of smell.
grease.
I kind of like it. It smells like cardboard.
It smells like clay or like some sort of wax. Feels like old times. What? I'm pretty sure you're gonna get blasted on the internet for improper dishwashing technique. It's coming down.
Well, he don't love us anymore, so get over it.
Lollygagging today. There's two of you. Rack and smack and rack.
I'm recording some extra footage for DDK.
Yes, that's a mighty magnificent
And so she kept waking up her in the night. And my sister, your child,
what's the number? I like my oil drippy, bruh. Mmm.
Is it really hot? Hotter than me in a bikini, you know what I mean, Devin?
What?
Huh?
Well, that was a day in a life as dishwashers at. Anyways, as you can see, this is not the normal kitchen. And yes, this is the entire kitchen that is in the frame. You're probably wondering where the dry storage, refrigerator, freezer, and cleaning supplies are. They're outside, in the shed, where we were putting on aprons. It's really inconvenient, especially in the unpredictable Texas weather. Now, I want to make it clear, I'm not trying to put this place out of business, because I still need my job. I'm just documenting my transparent, blunt life. And before y'all blast us for
Improper dishwashing technique.
we know, like hair restraints, proper dress attire, the proper way to use a 3-compartment sink, trash cans with lids, what's that? Anyways, thanks for sticking around until the end. If you found this interesting, hit that like button, subscribe for more behind the scenes. Share this video to expose this place even more, and leave a comment on any violations you see. Cause I wanna know, trust me, this doesn't even scratch the surface. Stay safe, eat smart, and I'll see you in the next one.